Okay, and now this side's bottom is done. I was able to reach up that column and fish a big piece of, up into that column there. That was good. It was just, you know, I really like the way this stuff lays down because I can put it behind the wires, so I can run wires on this side of it. And I think what we'll do, there's plenty of room. I think, you know, we end up putting some reflectix on top of that on the surface, right behind our beams that go up, and then we'll put the tongue and groove cedar that Beth is downstairs painting right now. We'll put that over top.